Myth number 7. Lucky number 7. Not so lucky for this myth though. Freight brokers can't offer the same load tracking capabilities as an asset company. I know that a lot of the time that load tracking capability has to come from the cab of the tractor itself, and since brokers are the third-party provider, they might not have access to those things, and I can understand why some people would heartily believe this myth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that there is a little bit of truth, right? A broker doesn't own the trucks, so we don't have direct access. But there are definitely a lot of technologies and emerging things that a good broker probably has multiple different tracking technologies to support their customers and their carrier base for whatever works. But there's definitely many ways that you can get great visibility of your trucks from a broker. For instance, there's MacroPoint, there's some ELD integrations, customer portals help give access. So there's a lot of different ways that we can get it, and then we can also send it back to the customers. So definitely something that you can get from a broker, and a myth that I would wholeheartedly bust.
Right. If you're looking for a transportation provider that can step in, right, and monitor your load, use load tracking capabilities, and step in when they are seeing a delay or a problem occur, that's the kind of visibility that a freight brokerage utilizes and can give to their customers. For a bit more information on the load tracking capabilities of the freight brokerage and how they provide them to their customers, Crystal has an article.
Right in the ATS Learning Hub, you can find an article on load tracking for freight brokers. We'll get you the link for that one, but it's a really good read to take a deeper dive into this subject.
Yeah, and like you said, I feel like we busted this one. Firmly.
Busted?
Busted.
Well, that was... You don't like high fives?
COVID.
Oh, cripes.
Busted.